Hey, Scruffy. Haven't seen you all day. Wow, it's kind of whiny. So what's up? Oh, it finally drizzled, huh? You know, it said it was going to rain today, but it didn't rain all day. Looks like it finally just drizzled, huh? Yeah, well, so I got your super supper, meaty pate, and a little bit of extra kibble. So I didn't see you this morning when I brought out your water. Guess you took off. It was completely dry. It was kind of sunny, too. Then the clouds came in. Okay, well, let's bring out your food. Okay, so I got your food. Like sitting there. So you're blocking my entry. So it doesn't look like you're rushing in the house. So, okay, there you go. Wow, it's actually warmer than I thought it would be. So actually, yeah, today was warmer than yesterday. So, yeah, probably at least 10 degrees warmer than yesterday. So my thinking is that the rain clouds with all the water that they're carrying it's acting like a blanket to keep the air warmer, and then it actually feels a little humid too. So so yeah, it wasn't nearly as cold today. So I kind of expected it to rain, but yeah, as I said, yeah, it didn't really rain until just, I think now. Yeah, I wouldn't really call it rain, it's like a drizzle. So yeah, I think yeah, it was overcast most of the day. I think it's like one short period of the day where the sun, I think, kind of came out, but yeah, it was mostly overcast the entire day. So kind of gloomy looking all day. So I woke up kind of mid-morning, so not too early. A little cold, but yeah, not like the other days. So I think I got a better night's sleep last night than I've gotten in a while. And then got up. Did a lot of work today, so I didn't go out and exercise since my leg has been bothering me, and I figure I better take it easy. And then I knew the rain forecasts were going to keep me indoors, so I'm kind of expecting I'm not going to be going out and exercising for maybe a week. So the forecast of rain has been extended, so it goes out as far as the forecast. But as I mentioned, they tend to bias the forecast to be extra cautionary for rain, on the side of rain. So they increase the percentages of what they think, or what they say they think the rain is going to be, because they'd rather be wrong about it They'd rather be wrong, saying we think it's going to rain, than be wrong about no, we don't think it's going to rain, and then people get caught in the rain. So today is one of those days where it was like only a 50-60% chance of rain, and it pretty much didn't rain until just now, and it wouldn't really call that much of a rain. But it was supposed to rain all day, which it did not. So I thought maybe I'd do pull-ups or something, but I got kind of really busy with work stuff, and so I didn't take a break to exercise, and quite frankly, I probably needed the rest anyway. So maybe tomorrow, or maybe I'll take another rest day, I don't know. So I got a long, it's like a long rainy week ahead of me, or maybe not rain, but forecast of rain, so I'm going to be indoors. So tomorrow and the next day, they're actually forecasting thunder and lightning, so that I'm not going to screw around with, so I don't want to get struck by lightning, so don't mind getting caught in the rain. Don't want to get hit by a bolt of lightning. And then actually, there's no I didn't see any forecast of wind, though I didn't check very hard. But I mentioned, a bunch of the trees at the park have been falling down in still weather. So, I'm a little worried about those trees. So I'm thinking, probably shouldn't be out in bad weather because a tree might fall on me. In fact, I shouldn't be under any trees in good weather because that's when they seem to be falling down most of the time. So Scruffy's already calmed down here. So I guess maybe I'll get him his food a little early. So I came out late morning with his water bowl, and I didn't see him. So I came out and looked around, and he wasn't here. So I don't know what he was up to. So I guess I didn't want the water that badly. It was dry. I think that was actually when the sun was kind of out. So I don't know where he was. And I've been looking out the window every now and then throughout the day. Didn't see him in the yard at all. So, I think that was a purr. So I was just about to get your food, and then you purred. Okay, well, maybe I'll still get your food anyway. We're pretty calm right now, so I think you're probably ready for food. Yeah. Okay, let's get your food. So there's a grooming spot here. So I don't think Scruffy got caught in the rain because he looks dry. I see a leaf or something in the water bowl. So, oh yeah, I mentioned yesterday some cats were congregating in my front on my driveway. So I was hearing some kind of loud meow-like sounds, and I was wondering if there was another cat fight or something going on. So looked out the window and I saw one of the white cats and one of the black cats. So there are at least 2 white cats I know about, and then I think there are 2 black cats. So one's a shorter-haired black cat, and then there's a longer-haired black cat, which is the one that was there. And I've been seeing the longer-haired one more last year. I haven't seen the shorter-haired one in a while. And anyway, they were just sitting in my driveway, and when I looked out the window, they stopped meowing. And they weren't really that close to each other. It didn't look like they were fighting. I'm pretty sure they're TNR'd. So my neighbors tell me, yeah, those 2 have been TNR'd. Pretty sure the white cats have been TNR'd. I don't know about the longer-haired black cat, since I've only started noticing that one more recently. So, but at least one of them I think should be TNR'd. So I don't know why they'd be congregating if they're not fighting. But I don't know, maybe they were fighting and then I interrupted them. I don't know. So I watched them for a little bit, and then I decided to see what would happen if I went out there. And so as I went out there, the black one kind of took off. The white one also started walking away, but it just kind of sauntered off. It didn't run. It was just, casually just kind of doing its own thing, walking towards the street. It was an annoyance to him, but not a threat. It's like, shooing me away. I'll show you. So they haven't come back, or at least I haven't noticed them coming back. But yeah, the white cat, I think, is usually hanging around here. So one of the white cats, tends to hang out next to my garage a lot. Not so much in the last year or so. But yeah, I used to notice the white cat always hanging out in the corner of my house near the garage. Just sitting, sunbathing, or in the shade. And then sometimes, there's sometimes the cat's in the garden just hanging out. But he stays on the other side, so Scruffy has one side, and then that white cat is at the other side. Though I do get a lot of random cats in the front garden on Scruffy's side. And they all seem to climb through that same hole under the fence to get into the backyard. So I tried plugging up that hole a little less than a year ago. After I started feeding Scruffy, I started noticing more cats were coming back here, and I didn't really want more cats back here. So I decided to plug the hole. Figured if Scruffy could get out, he could get back in. Well, Scruffy got out, but he couldn't get back in, so he disappeared for several days until I found him in the front. I went looking for him, and then I cleared the hole so he could get back in, and then it took him a few more days to find the hole again. But he's back, and I left the hole unplugged. There's a period of time where Scruffy was really irritating me, so I was thinking about pulling out the whole again. So good riddance. But, yeah, Scruffy's been a good cat recently, so I haven't thought about pulling out the hole. And I haven't noticed as many cats coming back here. Boots every now and then I see. Not in a while though. Oops, that was just me moving. So there was one cat that was hiding back here one day. I think it was a gray, black and gray stripes cat. And he sitting down on a table and some other furniture on the side and stuff, and he saw me and he panicked and ran out of the yard. And then I saw him in the front a couple times, and he panicked and he ran back into the backyard. And then I think the last time I saw him, it's kind of funny. A little mean, but yeah, kind of funny. I didn't do anything to him. He was just very paranoid. So he was sitting, I think, in my garden, and I saw him. I was coming back from a walk or something, or run. And I knew what he was thinking, so I knew that the moment I saw him, he was going to make a dash for the hole under the fence and go into my backyard. And so I thought, I'm going to cut him off. I'm not going to make it so easy for him. So I immediately dashed for the hole, and he started dashing for the hole too. And I actually beat him, or well, I about tied with him to the hole. So he was cutting through the garden, and I was running down a path on this side that gives you access. And so he panicked because I don't think he expected me to get there as fast as he did. He actually could have made it in because he's fast enough and he had enough time, but he panicked and instead he suddenly shifted his direction. He jumped. I don't know what he was thinking, but he basically tried to change direction and jump, but basically just jumped directly into the fence. And so he smacked into it and made a loud crashing noise. And then he shook it off and then took off in another direction and into the street, and I lost sight of him. And I think that was the last time I saw him. But yeah, I thought it was funny. I thought cats were graceful. That was not graceful. So Scruffy's not sticking around tonight. Okay, folks, I guess that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.